So hey babes, it's me again, Chelsea, and welcome to another video, another vlog. So yeah, so for today's vlog, I'm gonna be doing a mukbang slash facts about myself. Kasi like a lot of people already personally they are requesting to do facts about myself. So here it is, wish granted. Although I was really hesitant to do this kasi first of all, who are you ba? Diba? Bakit ka magfa-facts about yourself, diba? So yeah, as what you can see here, I have a lot of food. Oh, that is a lot of calories. Anyway, so we have here jelly spaghetti with chicken joy. We also have here isaw kasi I've been really craving for that. It's been a while since the last time na nag-eat ako ng isaw. And then meron ako dito chicken sandwich. I also have fries here. Yes. And share ko lang babes kasi fries is something that I can eat for the rest of my life. We also have here my favorite cookies. If wala akong breakfast or if wala akong makain and I have this, so I preferably eat this one every morning. And then, or if every, gutom ako, so ito kinakain ko. And I also have here my favorite junk foods or turtles, which is the bigat. Sarap. And of course, I got this, my strawberry float something from Berry Some. So this is not a sponsored again. And of course, last but not the least, we have here the milk tea, which, milk tea is the best drink ever. So, I can consume, siguro milk tea in a month, mga 4 or 5. So, hindi naman siya ganun, everyday talaga. Pero at least, hindi talaga nagmi-miss sa isang buwan na hindi ako uminom ng milk tea. So, yeah, share ko lang. So, eto na lang unang i-drink ko. Sa pang subo, tapos mag-start na ako sa facts about myself, okay? The first fact about myself is my name is Chelsea Montesur Rebollos. So, babes, clarification lang. When you spell Chelsea, it's actually S-Y on the last and not E-A, not I-E, or not E-Y. Okay? It's Chelsea with S-Y because, I believe there's a lot of people, there's a lot of Chelsea in this world. And so, second fact about me is... Wait lang. I am 23 years old and I will be turning 24 this month! Excited. And aside from that, it happened to be the anniversary of my parents, so share ko lang, that's another fact. And I am from Zamboanga City. So basically, I can understand and I can speak multiple dialects because as you all know, Zamboanga City is a very diverse city in the Philippines. So I can understand few dialects and I'm just not really fluent. Pero pag sinasabi na Chabacano, ay Nadine, numakumigo, por favor.
Meanwhile,
I'm sweating kasi mainit gayon. Masking the off-shoulder kita, kalyento lang shoulder. And aside from that, my educational background, so I graduated 3 times, babes. I graduated 3 times kasi right after graduating in college, nag-aral ako ulit. And then, after kong mag-earn ng another degree, nag-aral ako ulit. So, my friends and family used to make fun of me. Hindi ka napapagod? Hindi ka ba nagsasawang umaral? Para sa akin naman, ba't ka magsasawa? Ba't ka magpapagod kung mahal mo naman talaga yung isang tao? But I'm trying trying to say is, when you wanted to achieve something greater in your life, you have to keep educating yourself. So, that is what I'm doing basically. So, I just love to learn and keep on learning kasi nga, I really, like, achieving your goal or your dream isn't that easy. So, I'm investing my time on educating, I'm investing my time on learning kasi nga, gusto ko lang, like, I wanted to do something that makes me proud about myself. So, yeah. Kanya-kanyang trip lang yan, okay? So, don't you bother about my life because I don't bother yours. So, just let me keep on educating myself and learning. Facts about myself is, I am a bookworm. I love to read. Siguro if you're also like that kind of person na mahilig magbasa, you can just like message me or DM me or comment down below so that you can share to me kung ano yung mga books na binabasa mo, and then maybe I can share to you if ano yung mga books na binabasa ko. So just sharing a preference. And aside from that, I also love to write. I am really like a frustrated writer. I have na like 3 to 4 journals na kasi like I really love to write, and if you can see like my Instagram feed, yung caption dun is puro mahahaba kasi like I'm really a frustrated writer and a frustrated poet. So writing really helps me, like writing is also my therapy. So yun. Wait lang. Isa muna. Pauso muna tayo. Okay lang. Wait lang. Next fact about myself. Hindi ako takot sa insekto. Hindi rin ako takot magmahal. Ay, charot. Hindi ako takot sa insekto. Like, nawiwirduhan nga ako sa mga taong takot sa ipis eh. Kasi like, pag dumadawaan nga ng ipis, sinasabihan ka pa, hi, okay ka lang dyan? Like, oh, are you doing okay? No. Yun, I'm not afraid of insects. And, insects ba yung ipis? I'm confused. Another fact about myself is that I am a huge fan of Blackpink. So yes! So another fact about me, try ko muna yung scatty. Actually, tawag ko dito not spaghetti but scatty. Sarap. The best talaga yung spaghetti ng Jollibee. So yeah. So, the next facts about myself. I am a very vain person. I am so conscious about myself. Like, I cannot go outside pag hindi naliligo, pag hindi bihis, pag hindi ako nagtutoothbrush. Hindi talaga ako lalabas ng bahay pag hindi ako maayos. And, I have a different taste in fashion. Like, hindi naman like ako to mismo nagsasabi sa sarili ko. Pero like, most of my friends, my family, especially Kyla, she's really like telling me na iba yung taste ko sa fashion. Like, it's something that hindi gaya daw sa kanila. So, I don't know, I want to take it as a compliment kasi like, being different is really unique naman, diba? Being different is beautiful as well. So, siguro iba-iba lang yung taste natin sa fashion eh. It just happened na dito sa amin, like dito sa bahay, ako lang talaga yung kakaibang, style sa kanila. Chicken skin kasi nga, siya, super, grabe yung fats na meron sa loob. So, yun. Also, hindi ako mahilig sa gravy. Share ko lang. Sarap. The best. Next fact about me. I know you have observed this. When I'm eating and it's something na nasasarapan ako, sumasayaw talaga ako. Saya. Pagka nasasarapan ako sa pagkain, napapasayaw talaga ako. Fair. Your next facts about me. I'm always late. Late. Although, tinatry ko naman talaga na yung wag ma-late. Pero kasi like, hindi ko alam, napakabagal ko gumalaw. Pero kaya ngayon, like, I'm trying to like, umadjust talaga. Nag-a-adjust naman talaga ako. And I'm working out about it. Kasi nga, recently na-observe ko pagka may mga importanteng lakad ako. For example, it's on 3 p.m. Ganun. So, mga 1 pa lang yan. Nagpi-prepare na ako. Kasi like, I know myself na super bagal ko talaga gumalaw. So, yun. Especially nung nag-aaral pa ako, like, oh my gosh, I'm always late. I do not know. I know that's really a bad habit. So, I am not telling you to copy kung ano yung ginagawa ko, yung pagiging late. I don't advocate that. So, wag kayo maging late, wag kayo gumaya sa akin. Pero ngayon naman, tinatry ko naman talaga yung best ko na hindi malate sa mga importanteng lakad. And, yun, hindi naman na talaga ako nalilate ng super late na. Siguro mga 10 minutes late na lang. Eto, sinasabi talaga to ng mga friends ko sa akin, family ko mismo na I am very clingy daw. Super clingy, like clingy talaga. Kasi I don't know, kasi siguro nafe-feel nila na pagka nakikita ko sila ganyan, ihahag ko, minsan nikikiss ko pa, kumikiss ka ganyan. Tapos, I just love hugs. Gusto ko talaga ng hugs always. Kahit na, like, random ka pa, pero I feel like when you need hugs, I will just gonna mix. Dapat pala mini-mix to. Sorry na. And the next fact about myself, I don't drink Yakult. I hate Yakult, and I know I've been getting a lot of weird words coming from my friends. Kasi like, siguro sa buong mundo, ako lang nag-iisang tao na hindi umiinom ng Yakult. I don't know, I just don't like the taste of Yakult. Ever since before, hindi ko talaga ako umiinom ng Yakult. Because I just don't like the taste. Kung gaano ko ka-love yung milk tea, ganun ko din ka-hate yung Yakult. So, next fact about me. Since I am from Zamboanga and our language is Creole Chabacano, so I can understand Spanish and I can also speak a little bit of Spanish. Like, ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Like, where is the library at? Okay. I can speak a little bit of Spanish and I can understand Spanish. And, people are always keep on telling me na I have an accent whenever I'm speaking, though that's not really true. Like, or like, I can speak with accent kasi like investing time and effort for me to learn like accents, especially like Australian. That is something that I'm working out right now because I wanted to learn the Australian accent. I'm just really obsessed with accents, babe. So that's another fact about me. So yun, also sometimes it just comes out naturally to me. I just hindi siya like hindi ko siya pinipilit. Sometimes lang talaga na when I'm speaking too much and it's in English, lumalabas lang daw yung accent ko. Though, that's not coming from me, okay? So, disclaimer lang. Hindi siya galing sa akin. And, galing siya sa mga friends ko and family kasi I can speak with accent days. So, yun. Another fact about me is that I am a left-handed. I am left-handed and sinasabi nila na smart daw yung left-handed and artistic daw. Well, I don't really believe on that. I'm not really telling that I'm smart, pero that is what everyone keep on saying naman. Diba? Pagka daw left-handed, they are smart people, they are artistic. I don't know. Yun. Another facts about me. I am also like, I don't want to say this. I am very hesitant to say this. And I don't know if it's really right for me to include this. But like, at the same time, it's a very big fact naman about me. So, bakit hindi ko siya i-include, diba? So, yun na. I am a SK Kagawad of our barangay. And I am not ashamed. Siguro lang, hindi ko lang talaga gusto isali dito, diba? Kasi like, pagiging SK is, super laki ng responsibility niyan eh. So, I don't want to hurt anybody, especially their expectations towards me. So, Yun. And last fact about me, which is not really obvious. Not really obvious. I love junk foods. So yeah, that is the facts about myself. So I hope you enjoyed and have fun. Although hindi ko pa na-open lahat and hindi ko talaga siya na... Ang dami kong daldal, hindi naman ako kumakain ng madami. So, ito muna. Hindi na bang food, yun na ako naubos and tapos na ako sa facts about myself. Kakain na lang ako. Yeah. So this is babe, I hope you have fun and enjoyed this video and you were able to like get to know me even just a little bit and have konting nalaman about sa sarili ko. So I hope you did have fun and enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, comment down below if anong mga next na video gusto niya or vlog gusto niya makita, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please stay safe and spread kindness, because kindness will gonna cause you zero puzzles. So I'll see you again in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Hindi ka pwede conversa. Hindi ka pwede magkwento. Kailangan manap ko yung ano?
Hello, welcome to my channel. Baka yun kami. Away. Bambang? Bambang kaya ko. Hindi ka pala kasi hindi ka pwede. Balik man. Balik sa balik. Matutok. Si mama. Ayun.